No human being is better than other human being. There are three types of human beings. Great men. Great by birth means those who have done something in the past. If you don't believe in the theory of reincarnation and rebirth, you will see in this lifetime whatever you have done before in the past, you are reaping the fruits of the past today. You are reaping the fruits of your childhood training now. You see. So how past, whatever you have done now, that becomes past after a few minutes. You are not in touch with the now. You are only in touch with the past and future. It is actually past that controls your life. Great men are not controlled by the past. So there are three types of great men. Those who have worked with themselves in the past, they are great by birth. Those who make sincere efforts and work hard in this lifetime. I don't want to insult your teacher here, but can I do something to Rajmani? When he came to this country, he did not know third word except yes and no. I'm sorry to ridicule him publicly. Today he corrects English of students. He worked hard. Hard working with full attention makes you great, unusual, better than others. These two are definitely great. But there is another great, unfortunate greatness that is thrust upon you by the press. Press can make you great. And press can rob your greatness. If you are not great, and if your image is made by falsehood, press can rob that also. You don't want to be great of third category. Great through efforts. Human effort is called ascending force. That ascending force meets descending force, and that is called kripa, blessings, grace.